Family, welcome into another video. But in this video, we're gonna do it a little bit different because this trade was kind of taken a little bit different. Just sit back, relax, and enjoy as we break down the trade that we made $3,500 on, man. Let me repeat it one more time. We made $3,500, not just by ourselves though, we made it with the team. We got the receipts right here, all on deck. $3,500 trade on USD CHF. Y'all not gonna miss this one, bro. But before we go ahead and we get into that, I gotta go get me some coffee. I'm gonna go on a little coffee run real quick right before we get into it. So y'all buckle up. I'm gonna make sure I do the same because safety first. And yeah, man, we gonna get into that breakdown. Like always, man, it's IFN. If y'all wanna get tapped in with me, make sure to click all the links in the description down below. Y'all gonna wanna click on them. Y'all gonna need them, bro. And we gonna keep this ball rolling. Let's get into it. All right, so we doing it like a little bit different. We about to rock out, man. I told y'all I'm gonna grab the coffee cup. I told y'all exactly what's going on. As soon as we get the coffee cup, we coming right back and keeping the ball rolling. Now, y'all probably looking at the background like, bro, where is you at now? Like, I see the sky, I see a white wall. Where are we? Let me just show y'all real quick. Hey, man, we outside with it today. It's a beautiful day, beautiful weather. I thought, why not bring y'all outside with me, bro? Why not just go catch some vibes, catch the air, look down on just the world below, bro, and just appreciate this $3,500 trade that we caught with the best team on Discord, bro. So if y'all part of the team, y'all part of the community, y'all know exactly what's going on, bro. Y'all done seen this trade a little bit ago. It's just now that the YouTube fam, the YouTube squad is getting to see it live and in full effect with y'all. Beautiful day, beautiful weather outside, beautiful trades caught with the community as well. But in the meantime, we about to get straight to the point of the video. Y'all want to see exactly what's going on. $3,500, bro. Last week you just made 4K. Now you catch another $3,500 setup. What's going on? Like, I'm about to break it down to y'all. This is the best trading strategy, the easiest, most simple trading strategy. I'm gonna explain it to y'all right now, right here in this video. Yeah! I might set y'all, I might go over this way. I got y'all right here. I got OBS over here. About to start the live recording right now, and yeah. So I'm gonna have y'all somewhere up here on the screen, but y'all seeing the screen recording, but we on the camera. So, oh shit, it's a fat ass bee, bro. I ain't even know. I don't even know if y'all can see that. Just like I started off, just like I stated at the beginning, this trade was caught on USD CHF. So as you can see on screen right now, we're looking to revisit this market for potential sells. We need to see a simple break and retest of the structure for an entry. The stop loss can be behind the 4-hour structure for a bigger take profit, and or on 15-minute structure for a shorter target to aim for. We went for the 15-minute target ultimately, so we had a shorter target to aim for. That's what y'all are seeing in the screenshot below. But we're waiting to see which time frame looks the cleanest for my take profit and if the market decides to give us a full opportunity in the first place. So the whole point of me just stating that and showing it to the team was to break down to y'all. I'm looking at this market, right? This is the market that we're looking for, but before we catch an entry, before anything is valid, before I'm like, you know what, we all good, we can hop in right now, I need to see a couple things happen first. A couple small little details in which go in within my strategy and help me actually make the money in the market in the first place. And that is a break and retest. The break and retest strategy, the break and retest setup. I ain't gonna lie, all setups work, all strategies work. But for me, the one that I find best fit, you know, for the way I trade, my trading style, just for what my eyes can see in the market is a break and retest strategy. The whole strategy in a nutshell is basically price breaking either a support or a resistance level and then retesting that level again to continue in the direction of the trend. So that's break and retest in a nutshell, man. And as you can see in the screenshot, I literally have it shown right here that I want to see price break this support level, retest this area, and then continue going down. So that's what I needed to see happen. And if we continue to go down, more of the story, more of the narrative ends up showing out. So the first screenshot was on August 18th at 10:19 a.m. This one is at 4 o'clock, almost 3:30 p.m. the same day, August 18th. And basically what I said was, this is the insight on my current views. If we go bullish, I will wait for us to switch the trend again before looking for entries. As of now, it's a no trade zone. The market hasn't made any decisions yet and it's consolidating. So until it's ready to make one, I'm not hopping in. If you don't know what consolidation is, just imagine the market not really going up or down. It's kind of just in one area. If I can box the candlesticks up, like if I can put a box around them just like I did in the screenshot, then that goes to show that The market hasn't really made its decision yet. It's not showing its hand. It's not showing us where it wants to go. So until it shows us where it wants to go, if it wants to go up, it's gonna break out the box, go up, pull back, continue going up. Or if it wants to go down, like the rest of the higher time frames are showing that it may just want to, then that's when it's gonna break out at the bottom, pull back to the support, continue going off. So yeah, I have two arrows right here that's showing us it going up. That's what I don't wanna see. And the blue one is the one with the trend. That's the one that we wanna see. We either gonna get a bullish or bearish indication coming out of the zone. The overall time frames were telling me that it was bearish. So we were hoping for a bearish sentiment, a bearish indication, something of the sort, and that would be us breaking a support level. If we continue on with this story, man, the market has finally showed its direction by breaking out the zone. However, I never got the pullback I was looking for. This is when discipline is required. Some traders would jump at this opportunity, but we don't. Now, what I mean by that is, man, you gotta be disciplined. You gotta be firm on your word. You gotta do exactly what you say, especially if you're a part of the IFN squad, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Discipline is our strong suit. Like, let's just keep it a stack. We have something that most traders don't have, and it's patience, bro. Patience is just trading. You need that shit to trade, bro. Patience inside the markets is just like a fisherman with bait. You can have the whole fishing pole. You can have the strategy, bro. You feel me? But if you have no bait on that hook, how the hell you gonna catch a fish? Bro, you need patience in order to trade, so don't go fishing without no bait, bro. Don't go trading without having patience. Enough with that whole spiel, enough with that whole tangent. We have patience. So either way, we patiently wait for the pullback, or if we don't get a pullback, there's no trade. Very simple. When we look at the two options on the board, either way, we're protecting the capital, and the number two is waiting for the best opportunity possible and which benefits our risk to reward the most. All you're doing is protecting your capital, so you're not putting any money at risk being impatient, and not only that, but we're waiting for the best opportunity and which aligns with our risk to reward the most. So the whole thing is risk to reward. Your reward has to outweigh the risk by a lot. This is exactly when I said the market has showed its hand. It broke out of this box. This is the market telling me, hey, I'm bearish now. I want to go down. This is on the 30-minute. This one is on the hour. Another high risk, high reward opportunity. We're catching quick sells to the lower time frame lows on USD CHF, looking to see how this opportunity plays out. This is exactly when I entered the markets. The only reason why it feels somewhat risky to me is because it's a shorter stop loss. More of a day trade play that has potential to swing. Day trades are a little bit more riskier to catch for me instead of swing trades. I just explained that. You know, the stop loss is tighter, even though we're still following the same exact strategy, even though everything's the exact same, it's just a little bit tighter, so it's a lot quicker. It's a lot more volatile. That's the only reason why it's a little bit more risky. I was just telling everyone, in order just to be cautious, man, don't, you know, when you see getting pulled back and everything, don't get scared. It's just a lot faster, so it's gonna feel a little bit more risky. It's gonna seem a little bit more risky, but as long as you keep the same risk to reward, as long as you keep that same patience, everything, bro, it's all the same. Everything's the same. Then by 8:45 a.m., I explained to them how, so we are now in a risk-free investment. The price reached my 1-to-1, so now we hold until TP. We will be paying close attention to the volume before New York kill zone, so worst case scenario, a pullback happens, we don't complete, we don't lose all of our current gains. We're at a 1-to-1, we hit break even about like 30 minutes later, and then, yeah, we're floating in this screenshot already, 1,200 bucks. 1,200 bucks in 30 minutes, that simple. Now that we've created structure near the zone, I move my stop loss above it. In this trade now, worst case scenario, we profit $1,000 for the day. On the account, making it a profitable day. Best case scenario, another 4-piece for the day, bro. Another 4-piece. Y'all seen the last video. Y'all seen that first 4-piece, bro. We got that Popeyes chicken 4-piece, you feel me? We got that KFC 4-piece. We got the Wendy's 4 for 4, whatever you want to call it, man. 4-piece on a daily, bro. It's feeling good, man. I ain't gonna lie. So in conclusion, this follows up with the ending of everything. To all that joined me and kept up with me for this trade in specific, I appreciate you and I hope you gain the most value through my perspective. The goal was to break down the trade from start to finish with the team. Whether we won or lost didn't matter. Just taking the best trades possible with as much transparency. I know that the trade isn't finished yet. However, we continue to grow 1%. We continue to grow. 1% growth a day from within ourselves is all we need, man. That's literally all we need, 1%, like internal growth. I'm not talking about in the markets, I'm talking about internally. If we grow 1% a day, we just constantly being better than we was yesterday, the day before, the week before, the month before, etc., man. Literally, you will evolve right before your eyes, and I'm living proof of that, bro, because I'm experiencing it literally right now. So just fight for 1% every single day, bro. Push yourself harder, do something different, challenge yourself, get uncomfortable, man. Get that 1% growth internally a day, and then you're gonna grab them 1% in the market easily. We're all we need to make these profits. No special strategy or anything, just ourselves. So explain that to everybody. And then 1018, final update, another one in the books, man. Y'all see that screenshot, bro? That screenshot looking, hey, man. Look at the screenshot. It's in the screenshot, bro. It's in the screenshot, bro. Look at the screenshot, man. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. 1 or 2 on this trade, man. Nice, successful trade. But we did profit 3,500. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. When I seen this, like, the market ended up pulling back, it tagged me. It didn't take me out for some odd reason. So then whenever we pulled back like a little bit lower, y'all see these green little lines within this screenshot? That's when I pulled out. I'm like, I could wait or I could just pull out. Like, am I gonna sit up here and like trip over like 4 pips, bro? Like, nah, I'm gonna just go ahead. Let me pull the profits out. We had a good day. I don't really want to keep on thinking about this trade. The market did end up pushing lower. It did complete the 4,000 in totality. We just didn't complete that all the way. So yeah, man, that is literally the whole trade breakdown on USD CHF. Let's do a very basic run through of exactly how everything happened. So here goes my no trade zone. Price broke out, pushed back. It did all this crazy shit, bruh. We got in the zone again. We're breaking levels now. The market is also giving us this formation. We're going up, we break, pull back. So right around this moment, what enticed me to enter this market is right here. On the 4-hour, we had this indecision candlestick. I noticed it, bro. I say it all the time, bro. The indecision candlestick is when the market is telling you, hey, it screams at me at least, hey, I'm about to make a decision now. We showed it in the zone. Now we're like, you know what? I'm about to just make this damn decision real quick. What ends up happening, the market ends up literally engulfing that last indecision candlestick. We didn't engulf the bullish one, but it told me, hey, we're trying to make a decision right now. And this candle ended up ultimately breaking lows in this range, which made it okay and acceptable for me to be able to take a trade right then and there. Let me go back. We can delete that. And then as you see, we broke underneath the EMA, price pulled back. We engulfed, we entered in right around there, and boom. All we did was go from level to level. It's that simple, bro. We got in and got out. All we caught was about 32 pips, and that was it, man. That's all she wrote for this trade. I just got out at this level because I knew it was a sensitive level. I knew what, you know what I'm saying, the markets was here to offer, was here to show. I also expected a nice pullback, in which happened again up here. As you can see, we reached that TP. The market pulled back. I was already out of this trade by then, and then we sold off again. Matter of fact, I do kind of want to see what happened down here. This could have been another trade, bro. Because as you can see, we literally did the same thing, but I think I was just done for the week. We could have had like a nice little double dip. Break, price pull back a little bit, but you couldn't, it's kind of hard to catch that one, I'm not gonna lie. And then ever since then, I believe we just been selling off. So yeah, we just been selling off low key. So this is when we caught the trade, man. We had TP1 right here. This was on the old trade. And hold up, for a quick little intermission real quick. If you wanna join the best Discord community, man, for this trading shit, bro, go ahead, tap the link down below, man. I promise you, you won't be disappointed. Look at all the members up in here. Like, I'm just scrolling through. I'm scrolling through literally right now. Like, we always talking about the markets, man. Like, that's the thing. There's no ego in this motherfucker, bro. We all trying to win. We all want to escape this motherfucking rat race, bro. So go ahead, tap into the community down below, man. I ain't gonna lie. I done met so many hardworking people in there, bro. I done met so many people who just like have the same vision, bro, who just are on the same type of timing. And it's a beautiful sight to see. So if you wanna join, if you wanna be a part of a community just like that, bro, don't forget that link in that bio. Don't forget the link in the bio in the description down below, man. Tap in the community, whole family, whole squad waiting, bro. Stay up to date with everything that's going on, not only with me in the markets, but I give life updates as well. I do my best in every aspect I can. So, hey, man, be sure to tap into that link down below. I don't want to keep on repeating it. You just got to see it, bro. And yeah, man, that's going to be it. That's going to be everything for this video. Hey, if y'all gain any information, any type of insight, do not be afraid, bruh, to hit that subscribe button down below, bro. Don't be afraid to comment and let me know. I'm gonna keep on and I'm gonna forever keep on making content like this. All that lets me know is that I'm doing my job properly, that y'all wanna see these type of videos, and that y'all wanna keep on having this ball rolling, bro. This whole snowball coming y'all's way. So just let me know, but with that like, with that comment, with that subscription, I promise you, we got a lot more content coming on the way. I say this in every single video, bro, but I mean it. We got a lot more coming on the way. All the love that I've been seeing and I've been receiving recently, I just wanna let y'all know, I appreciate that as well. Ain't nothing going unseen, bro. I'm seeing it all, bro. I'm seeing it all, man. So I appreciate y'all so much for sticking around, tuning in to this video, man. Making it all the way to the end. If you did, comment squad, bro, because I know you IFN squad, and I know I'm gonna see you in the next video. So, hey, man, without further ado, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one.